So what I'm noticing here is your right leg is gonna be slightly short, and it's gonna remain slightly short in that second position. So how much sitting are we doing throughout the day typically?
About most of the day.
Most of the day, okay.
6 to 10 hours.
Whew. What is it that you do?
A mortgage company.
Gotcha. You can feel that tension building up. A few different spots for you. This guy's all rotated, and the same with here. Cool. Any tenderness for you here or here?
No.
Cool. Awesome. Well, that's gonna be easy. Have this side up facing me. Cool. You're gonna get the full tune up here, brother.
Nice.
We're gonna bend this right here. Perfect. I need to bring this right here from you. Go ahead and focus on relaxing your head all the way down. I'm gonna tuck that right there. Take a big deep breath in and all the way up. Nice. Oh, wow. And face up. All right. Good. We're off to a good start. How'd that feel?
That felt fantastic.
We got 2 spots we're gonna open up here, okay? Take a big deep breath in. Now here for me being on the computer, breathe it out, breathe it out. Nice. And then all the way down here, breathe it out. Nice. Perfect. Let that relax right here. Let it relax. Awesome. Perfect. And this side facing me. I'm gonna bend that right here. We're gonna tuck this just a little bit. Perfect. Right here. On this one, I really want you to just focus on breathing out, letting everything go. Okay, right there. Feel lots of tension. Breathe it out. Perfect. Face up. Other face up. Come a little bit closer towards me, please. Perfect. Otherwise, you take pretty good care of yourself, health-wise. Exercise regularly.
Yep.
Good. Your neck feels pretty good. There's some tension building up here. You feel that right there?
Yeah, a little naughty.
Yeah. So it would really help if you get yourself a lacrosse ball, lay it down on that, press right into that region there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open that up, let it just relax. I feel that tension, yep. Nice. A little more. Focus on dropping your shoulder there. Nice. Whew. That was a good one, dude. Stand for me right here. We get the Ferrari tune-up, facing that way for me. You're gonna take your hands like this, interlace it behind your neck. Put your legs a little bit wider. Wider. Tuck your chin for me. And then everything relax. Now look up, let it relax. A little more. There it is. Cool, we'll face this way. Are you ready to start texting faster?
Sure.
Awesome. This is your opportunity. You get 30 seconds to say anything you want to the camera. What do you want to let them know?
Nothing. I got
You
nothing.
froze.
I got
You know what he
nothing.
had? You know what he had earlier? He said, "What's cracking?
What's cracking?
What's cracking?
Welcome to Dr. Bell. What's cracking?
What's cracking?" Here, let me finish this arm up. That is going to be our new tagline. You know the best part about that is we're probably going to use that.
I hope so.
Dude, boom. That was
you.
magical. Magical.